Good morning mga bebe ko. And it's March 10. Happy Sunday! Ano na? 11:35. And katapos ko na mag-shower at mag-makeup ng very mild lang kasi concealer lang gamit ko and pressed powder. Tapos blush on, syempre. As usual, yung paborito kong color pop na bigay si Sipot na eyebrows. Always the same naman. Hindi, mostly mga bebe ko, mga ginagamit kong makeup is the same. Blush on is from Rimmel. And then itong ano ko, nasa lips ko, it's mixed. It's from Etude House, yung nude lippy nila na Talk, something like Talk, and then lip liner also na from, ano yung gamit kong lip liner? From Bia. Yung naalala nyo, nasa LOHB ako na shop. And then, tinali ko lang yung hair ko ng ganito. Nakapaglinis na kami ng asawa ko kanina umaga pa. And then, punta na tayo sa airport kasi ano na si nanay, landed na. Tara na mga bebe ko. Yung asawa ko, nagpahinga na ng konti. Let's go, babe! Ito guys, shade ng eyebrows na ginagamit ko, it's Color Puff, it's a brunette. Brunette siya. Ito, highly recommended ko yung Lucas Pawpaw. Mga bebe loves ko, kung may mahanap kayo nito, ang dami itong naitutulong sa skin natin. Makate or scratch, itchy, ayan yung mga ano niya, chafing, crack skin, rush, wound, insect. Hindi pala siya nagpo-focus. And squeeze ko talaga tong Hera na ito yung mga makeup ko guys, pinupulot ko na lang sila dyan pag yung nag-ready ako, pero minsan kumukuha ako ng mga lipi dyan or itong OTD natin. Ayan. Alright, tara na, excited na ako makita nanay ko. Nanay, I miss you, love you. And hewan ko kung parang di ako masaya sa itsura ng hair natin. Pero ang init kasi yung maliliit na baby hair ko pupunta sa face ko. Kaya tinaas ko siya ng ganyan. Anyway, ayusin natin yan mamaya. Dalala ako ng konting ng manipis na cardigan. Kasi I mean just in case lang yung kilikili natin guys. Hindi ako masyado confident. Chuk! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Nanalo si Mami ng meat sa club last night, yung raffle. So it's good. Good news, Mom. Okay, on our way na sa airport. Ay, ano yun? Parang may tumutusok sa tiyan ko. Ano yun? Oh, wala pala. Alrighty. Wow, drunk blush. Nasobrahan yata yung drunk blush natin. Okay, we're gonna see Mom, babe. Let's go, my love. My love. Malapit lang yung airport, mga bebe ko. It's only 5 minutes, babe, right? 10 minutes? Yeah, 10 minutes. And nagbaon ako ng watermelon at saka rock melon. Guys, ito na kami sa airport. Nanay, see you soon! Excited ako, Nay. Gosh! Itsura ko, sabog. Sabog. Inay. Nagda mo na ganang. Hi, Mom. How's your heart, Mom?
Yes.
Oh, Mom. Nagagapa mo ulit si Mami. Okay, Dad. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Nay.
Hello. Dito naman ako.
Luto mo, Nay? Sinigang na tilapia? Yummer! Bahay na kami, mga bebe ko. Pasalubong from Nanay. Akala ko malalaki eh. Ang binili ni Nanay, hindi pala. Hindi pala siya malalaking pack. Colors. Wala yung kopi ko ni Darling Ann na black. Ano ba yan? Pero makakabila ko nun guys sa Asian store na lang. Yan lang yung nabili ni Nanay. Ito kay Sis Rochelle. Sabi ko yung malaki, maliit yung nabili niya. Anyway, thank you Nanay ko. Ayan guys. Nagluto si ng tilapia. Kain. Lunch namin ni Nanay. Nay. Halika na. Kain na tayo. Mamaya ka na maglinis, Nanay. Nay, mangantayo ka muna. Ilocano, mangantayo. May kayo naman tayo. Tilapia. Sa wakas, nandito na si Nanay. Mga loves ko, ha? Hindi nakikita si Nanay. Ayan.
sleep in the, I'm in the NSF, I'm in the agencies and the foundations, I'm in the television networks, trying to
Yung asawa ko nag-lunch na sausages.
It just, it all takes
Nakala.
I've only got 1 week to get back down to
Yeah.
the winter hits, and no one gets in for 6 months. You got those,
Lagay mo dito na yung tinik mo na.
the
Para hindi ka may halo sa kakain mo. Yan. Sarap, babe. You will love it, this, da. I'll cook this one day for you, okay?
And you can tell, just tell them that I was scouting your next trip.
Oh, maggulay ka na. Importante ang maggulay.
Could get back down there by now. 50 will. Jerry, be realistic. It's already there.
How long it's been.
Pag-arugulin ko
I
tayo.
need to know for sure.
Oh,
I have
Ano
to
ka mo si Ilan?
may ano?
Grabe na. Bigapi na naman.
Ang dapay.
It's just not possible. You gotta find a way from here.
Tangkoy. Ngayon ako yung bong.
Nay, ang sarap, no?
Yeah.
Sarap ng tilapia. Hindi siya sinigang. Wala akong sinigang kasi na powder. So, sabaw siya yung parang ginisa, lang, yung seasoning saka asin.
Kamatis, ang asim niya na.
Oo, yung kamatis nilagay natin. Minani ng mangga. Yan, guys. Kain na. Kain tayo. Kain tayo mangga na. Nagipit ako kasi init. Ganito mo lang na yung masarap siya. Ang tamis-tamis na yun. Saka itulo lang. Tamis na.
I can't believe I did this!
Tamis na yun, no?
I can't believe I did this! Mother would be so furious. That's okay, win-win, but she doesn't know we'll kill her, right? Oh my gosh, if we kill her, this is so fun! I'm a horrible I'm going back. I am never going.
Bebe ko, naalala nyo tong dress ko na to? Nakalimutan ko na. And then kanina nag-aayos si nanay sa aking cabinet, sa mga damit ko. Eh nahanap ko to. Nahanap ni nanay pala. Nagulat si nanay sa tiyan ko kasi ang laki-laki na daw. Eh, nay! Ayan, gamit ni nanay yung dress ko, guys, pambahay. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka na magdala ng mga damit, nay. Siya pa sa luggage mo. Kako sa kanya, intira namin tilapia. Ilalagay namin sa ref. And then mamaya punta kami ng Coles, mamamalengke. Oh, 'di ba? And then ito yung dinner namin kasi barbecue namin tonight. Rose? Dad. Yes, Dad.
They're all right? Do you
Yeah.
like them?
Yes, I really like them.
So I've got the...
Barbecue time. Hi, Dad.
Oh, darling.
That's Mum's certificate for the keeping club.
Oh, good.
That's it, there you go.
You think you like
Yes, Dad. Thank you. Ayan yung pork chop namin.
steaks, sausages, and then when the table...
Salad. Looks so good, the salad. And potato bake. Tinakpan muna. Thank you so much, Dad. Yeah. Yeah, we need it longer than that. It's okay, Dad. I'll keep on night, Dad.
That's all right. Hello world, this is Charles.
How
Here I am with
The music, please.
the beautiful Juliet and her mum, all the way from Philippines the other day. We've just had a barbecue, and now I'm going to try a coffee all the way from the Philippines. Okay, so here we are. There it is there.
Kopi ko, Dad. Kopi ko.
Coffee Co.
Kopi ko.
Coffee Co.
P. It's P.
Oh, Copico. Copico. My Filipino language is coming very, very good.
Yes,
My
very
beautiful daughter-in-law, ready to have a little bubba very soon.
good. Yay.
There she is.
So happy, Dad.
So she's so happy.
So happy. Okay, I'm gonna make kopi. Okay, Dad, again.
Coffee.
I hope you like it. Let's see if Dad's like it. Daddy-in-law,
This is what I
Daddy
have.
Charles.
From now on, to remember me with the beautiful people from the Philippines, the times What is it? Philippines?
Philippines, Dad, yes.
Here we go.
Kopiko! You know, Dad, who else drink coffee?
Yeah.
Anne, she loved that coffee. Yeah,
Oh, she's from there.
yeah.
Might be too hot yet.
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, it's too hot.
Oh, unless you want to put some milk on.
Yeah, I'll put some milk in.
Okay. Here we go, Dads.
Kopiko. Kopiko coffee. Here we go.
Okay, let's see. My Australian daddy-in-law tried Kopiko.
Sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. Is there sugar in it?
It's 3-in-1, the milk, sugar, and coffee.
But there's no, what about sugar? There's no sugar in it?
Yeah, there is that.
Oh, yeah, well, I don't have sugar.
Oh, I see. It's very sweet, that.
Yeah, very sweet.
Oh,
Very
okay.
sweet, but I'm going to have it because respect to the Philippines people.
Oh,
Because I love them so much.
thank you, Dad. Hello mga bebe ko, hindi ko kayo na-close kagabi. Close na natin ngayon and i-close na natin ngayon mga bebe ko yung vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!